In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom virtual background without green screen. If you want to make your Zoom meetings look cleaner, more professional, or just a little more personalized, using a virtual background is a simple way to do it. The good news is that Zoom lets you use this feature even if you do not have a green screen. As long as your lighting is decent and your camera can clearly separate you from your surroundings, you can set it up in just a moment. To get started, make sure you are already inside a Zoom meeting. Once you are in the meeting window, look at the toolbar and find the video icon. Next to that icon, you will see a small upward arrow. Click that arrow to open the video settings menu. From there, select Adjust Background and Effects. This will open the Background and Effects window, and it should take you directly to the Virtual Background tab. Once that window is open, you will see the background options that Zoom already provides. You can click any of the available backgrounds to preview how they look behind you. As soon as you select one, Zoom will automatically apply it to your video. If you want something more custom, you can also upload your own image or video. To do that, click the blue plus icon. Then choose the file you want to use from your device. After you select it, Zoom will add it and automatically set it as your virtual background. When using a virtual background without a green screen, a few simple things can help it look much better. Try to sit in a well-lit area, avoid a background that is too busy, and make sure your face is clearly visible to the camera. This helps Zoom separate you from the room more accurately, so the effect looks smoother and less blurry around the edges. If the background does not look perfect right away, do not worry. You can simply try a different image or adjust your position a little until it looks better on screen. In most cases, even small changes in lighting or camera angle can improve the result. And that's it. Once you choose or upload your background, it is automatically added, and you are ready to continue your meeting with your new virtual look. This is a quick and easy feature that can instantly make your calls feel more polished, even without any extra equipment.